Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Canva for your design. Yeah, this is actually going to be a tutorial for those who love design and who want to do it themselves. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step guide on how you can use this Canva for all your design in your phone. Guys, this is the professional particular design we are going to be making today. Guys, you know every business online or offline needs a design. You need a design for your presentation, you need a design for social media, you need a design for your business, you need a design for flyer, you need a design for ID card, design for certificate, design and so on. You need a design in every aspect of business which you are doing. You need a design to enhance it, to make it look good, to make it do. And Canvas has made this thing very easy for everybody to do their own design themselves. So with Canva, you can do all this design yourself. Trust me guys, you can use this app for all your design and will come out very professional. Canva has two versions, the free version and the pay version, and the pay version is called Canva Pro. But in this video we're going to be using the free version, the free template, the pro version. So guys, watch this video. At the end of this video I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can get this Canva Pro for free without any payment. So guys, let's go to the business of the day, which is how to use Canva for your design. As you can see, Canva has many templates. You can see Instagram post, poster, flyer, book cover, card, invitation, banner, YouTube thumbnail, letter heading, certificate, everything that you can imagine. They have logos, everything that. So first thing you have to do now is to go to your, if you're using Apple phone, you go to your Apple Store. If you're using Android phone, you go to your Play Store to download Canva. You type Canva, you search for Canva and you install it. And after installing Canva, you can use it and for all your design. So the first thing you are going to do here is to click the plus button here. So click this plus button. We're going to be doing Instagram posts on this video. Instagram post here. So in Instagram post, you have to take it easy with me because we are in Africa. Our network is somehow slow. So let's assume we are going to do jewelry and wristwatches today. You can type anything specific in your business area. You can type anything at all in your business area. Let's assume we are going to do jewelry and wristwatches today. So you click it and it will bring out the sample of many samples that you can choose from. So you scroll and any one you like, you can click to edit it. So for the sake of time, let's just find, let's take this particular one. As you can see, everything literally in this post you can edit it. Everything in this post you can edit one by one. You can go to this place if you don't like it, if you have anything to change here, or you can edit it. Let's say golden watch. As you can see, it has changed. Anyone you want to change, you click on it, you can change it. Let's say 10% off here. Anything, you can click it. Let's change this one. Let's change this particular text. anything here you can change, including the background. So let's assume you want to change the background now. Click on the background and go to color. You can change, let's change it to this very color. You can change all the background. Let's assume you want to change this background, this particular blue or what. You can still change them. Any color you feel like changing them, you can change them. So this is usually how Canvas work. Let me show you how you can change the font, the font text. Once you click on the text that you want to change the font, you come here and search for font text. As you can see, you click on it, and you can change all to any font text you want to change it to. You can change it to any one you want to change it. So after changing it, if you want to change the color of the text also, you can come here, you can see color. You can change the color of the text to any color you wish to put it. If you want to do anything here, just click on the text. If you want to change it, you can change it. If it is color you want to change, you can put it. So guys, this is literally how Canvas work. It's very easy and straightforward, even if you don't know anything about design. At this junction, guys, I promise you that I'll be showing you how you can get the pro account after this video. So but right now I want you to subscribe to this channel, like and click up the notification bell, so that if you upload any video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Immediately after this video, there is a video that is going to come up. That video will show you step-by-step guide on how you can get this Canva Pro for free without any payment. I mean the pay version of it. So like guys, after this thing, the next step we are going to do here is to just go to up here and click on the download button. Then it will download this image to your phone, and you can use it to post on your social media. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.